If you are in sales, then you know that it's all about converting your leads into sales. But it is easier said than done. Having a lot of leads is not that big of a problem, but managing those leads and making sure that you proceed to the customer phase is really hard. When we say lead in the sales, a sales lead is a potential sales contact, individual or organization that expresses an interest in your goods or services. Leads are typically obtained through the referral of an existing customer or through a direct response to advertising or publicity. This tool, Upflowy, manages and enables your leads with the AI summaries, and it brings a new level of intelligence to your existing and potential leads. Before I show you how this works, when I was reading their about page, I really got fascinated by their naming convention and how the team is really arranged and how they are progressing year by year. Now, if you look at their name, which is Upflowy, that is quite a unique name. According to their page, that psychologist Mihaly research on flow started in 1970s. He has called it the secret to happiness. Flow is a state of optimal experience. When people are in flow, they are in a state of intense concentration. Their thoughts are focused on an experience rather than on themselves. How true is that? Most importantly, flow is what researchers call an autotelic experience. Autotelic derives from two Greek words, autos, which means self in English, and telos, which means end or goal in English. So, autotelic experiences are things that are worth doing in and of themselves. So, journey is your destination. And there are a lot of good nuggets there in their values and how their journey started in January 2020 when the team size was just 3, and now as we are in 2024, but they have just updated it until June 2022 when the team size was 30. But still, really good read. I would highly suggest you to go through it and read, as it's quite fascinating. Now, coming back to the leads, there are a lot of things which you need to do. But before that, let me log into Upflowy, and you can sign up with your email for the free starter pack just to try it out. So once you sign in, it asks you to give your website address. So I'm just going to give it maybe fahadmirza.com, which is my own personal blog. Let's continue. Let's wait. Okay, so it is asking me to add this small code chunk in my website's header address. Let me make it that bit bigger. So this is what they're asking. Let me try to see if I could put it in my website. So as you can see that I have just pasted it here in my website, just between this head element in HTML. Let's go back to Upflow Studio, and then I have already done it. Let me click on next. I think it is going to traverse my website now and doing the onboarding integration. Let's wait for it to come back. Okay, so it says that send summary to in your box. That is good. Okay, I'm not going to connect to any CRM because I don't have any. I'll just say done. Okay, and you can see that it is now loading my website on the top left. Let's wait for it to come back and what this menu says. It says dashboard. Okay, let it load first and then we will have a look at these dashboards. Okay, so it says that because I have just attached it, so it will just take a bit of a time, I guess. Okay, anyway, so I'll just go to the dashboard meanwhile. So I read the documentation and they say that place it just before the slash head tag, and that is what I have done now. So I have just put it here just before this head tag. And now let's try it out. Save the changes. Okay, I've done it. And to test your setup, first visit your intent dashboard. Okay, then visit your website, click on view pages, and then enter your email address somewhere. Okay. I don't have contact page there, so maybe that is why. Anyway, so let me go to my website and try out clicking here and there. So this is my humble website. So let me click here. This is the ad which it is showing. That's cool. Just scroll here, go back to the home page, and then let's do it. Or another post. That is cool. So I have also clicked here. Let's go back, and then let's click on one last, and then we will go back to the Upflow to see how it works or if it works or not. Okay, that is cool enough. Now let me reload this page maybe. Let's wait for it to reload. I am just reloading it in the browser. Okay, now it is tracking, so that is good. It was able to detect that script. That is cool. And now it is just checking the leads from there. That's interesting. So it didn't find any contacts yet because I haven't got any contact page or anything. So of course it won't find anything there. But you get the idea that if we have any con- contact page where people are entering their information like email address stuff, it will also pick it up, send it here, and then do the research and give you the insights on it. Pretty cool idea. I really like it. So I'm not sure if they have any example here on their website. No, not really. But anyway, looks really good. And look at the pricing. You can track 50 leads for free. And for starter page again 500 leads for just $5 per month, and 5,000 leads for just like $39 per month. I'm more than sure this is US dollars. But even this one, if you are a small or medium company, this should be good, more than enough. Even $39 for this AI insights with your email should be good. And I'm more than sure they'll be very tight on security and all that stuff. And you can read further around it. And we just saw how to install it. It was very, very easy. And then this is one of the example. Let me put it here in the another page. There you go. So Sally from TechNet has reached out from the website. She is chief operating officer, and she visited 5 pages, 2 minutes of browsing, one session. And then this was her journey through your website. The user is exploring payment solution with a focus on security and compliance. This is where she clicked. So they are just checking her behavior, and then they explored article directed at COO and focused on the pain point of small business payment management. How cool is that? So just imagine that this is bringing a whole new level of intelligence to your website and your analytical data. I have seen a lot and lot of companies using Google Analytics to glean this information. But if you have used Google Analytics or any other analytical platform, it's very hard to really pinpoint the user behavior. But this tool, Upflow, has just taken it to another level. Really hats off to the creators. And then you can see that it has just processed it, and then on the right hand side, it is has generated this email that, hi Sally, I noticed you exploring our payment solution, particularly around security concerns, blah blah blah. And then I'm more than sure you can customize it too. So fabulous, amazing stuff. And then there are a lot of I think other use cases which I could think of. And this is a sales engagement, and I think it would be more than 23% by the looks of it. Okay, now let me show you their about page, which I really wanted to show you because I wanted to meet the team. So this is the team, and fabulous. I don't know what this location is, but looks great. So really, these are the founders. So hats off to them. Done a great job. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts on it, and if you are aware of any similar service, let me know and I'll review it, and I'll drop the link to Upflow in video's description. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as that helps a lot. Thanks for watching.